Pentecostal Network Pennet Program Clear to Te Lalpai Swaming Chibai Ule Tungkar Chungai UPC Northeast India Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar thlir in Nilongai Thlang U Khovel Ramdanga Pentecost Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin in Bulchanila March Ninhi Thorchan Nika Pacific Region Amiten Tongtai Nani Regional Day of Prayer Tan Manga Tongtai Thupui Tan Shwai Tu Tetan Pastor Tetan Bible School College Tan Region Chungai UPC la din lo naram tetan ti in thupui thensom le chhong mangin an tongtai ani Pacific region hi area thuma anin then le a North Pacific South Pacific le Central Pacific ti te in then ani a he region chunga hem Brunei Cook Island French Polynesia Mariana Island Marshall Island Nauru Niue Tokelau Rama te hian UPC 10 Kohhran kan la nei lova theitop chwa mek ani Abagram dang zonga chuan UPC kan ding kim vekto ani Pacific region a hian Reverend Roger Backland chu regional director ni mekin he region chungai UPC din naram le member kan nei dan hetiang ani American Samoa Zalisom kwa pariat Australia sangruk somriat panga Fiji sangkwa Kiribati sang zathum somruk pasari Malaysia sangli zathum somriat Micronesia zasari somkwa panga New Caledonia zanhi somruk panga New Zealand sangkhat zanga somsari Papua New Guinea singruk Philippines nuai sompani singa sangkhat somthum Samoa zali somni paruk Singapore sangkhat zanga somriat Solomon Island zasari som Timor Leste za somthum pathum Tonga zathum somkwa Tuvalu panga Vanuatu sangli zanga General Shwai to the program General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai Lauchuan Aizol East District Conference Zemubok Vengpuyan Meka Telpuin rawngbawlna ane District Conference General Treasurer Reverend Zongming Tanzamale General Missions Director Reverend R. Lalhoy Tepuin Anman Pui ane General Secretary Reverend R. Lalrin Sang Achuan Longtlai West District Conference Longtlai ane Meka Telpuin rawngbawlna ane General Sunday School Director Reverend R. Laiting Puya Chuan Chandel District Conference Rung Chang ane Meka Telpuin rawngbawlna ane District Shongshang rawngbawlna chanchin Lunglei District February ni somni pasari atanga March ni khatsang ni somni chungkhan Tharawa Omra Ugalatia Bunga Chang Somparukti Thupuya Mangin Lunglei District Conference Avoisum nga pangana chu Headquarters Local Biak Incha Maritria Himtaka Man ania General Secretary Reverend R. Lalrin Sang Chuan Manpui February ni somni pakwa inrinia Kohhran pui chuan rorel na anaya anrorel langsar zinga Pentecostal Social Front din turin malak ni se thra antia Kohhran program a khovel himhlop thil lak lu lo ni se anti baka hospital din turin malak ni se antibok tin Pentecostal Children Department PCD te district hwapa anin rel bolna tur chu district in sum pethin se antibok Tin Lunglei District din ni August ni somni pahnia manchin chu August ni somni pakwa ani zoka wangin kumina changin ti danglam ani kumsang ni somni atanga sang ni somni pakhat chunga ta na Lunglei District Kohhran pui shwai tu thana nei chunzomani a chungte chu Superintendent na Reverend C Vanal Ena Secretary Reverend P Sila Fakoma Treasurer Reverend C Larin Tuanga February ni somni pariat jitomni khan District Sunday School Department le District PYD te chuan rorel na anaya District PYD te chuan Skill Development Training Board sa ini se anti a kumsang ni somni chungin voluntary blood donation nei ni se anti baka khotlang nun siam thatna lam le khabu chwani se anti bok tin District PYD te hian missionary som support ni se anti a General PYD athentur thupoimo taktak an ngai to bok ani District Sunday School Department te chuan kumpuan na sajokin bozui ni se anti a Sunday School Hall saktan puina anti san baka General athentur thupoimo taktak an ngai to bok he in khompuya hian General Secretary Reverend R Larin Sanga na thialbel to Pastor Reverend V L Mwaka tongte bel to Pastor Reverend B Kamlian le Headquarters bel to Pastor Reverend C Mingthan Falaten thu soi rawngbawlna anneya Lunglei District PYD choir baka Haulong bel PYD Luangmol bel PYD Headquarters bel PYD Rasiveng BLPYD le Pukpui BLPYD Zai Polten Zain rawngbawlna anneya Malzai thiam taktak an zai bok Report bua alan angin Lunglei District UPC a hian member singkhat sangriat zasari somli pariat ommekin chung kwa sangli somruk anoma sangni sompoko chung khan member hi zanga parugin anpung ani sangni sompoko chung khan Sunday school hi local za paruga din ani a member singkhat zakwa somkwa parukin ming anjiaka Sunday school hall nei hi local somni pariat anni Lunglei district chunga hian PYD din na local somkwan oma member sanga zathum somni pali anom mekbok ni kum chung khan zuk le hmam ngei thar member somriat pakwa anom ani ni thum o Lunglei district board voiza somkwa pakwa na chu superintendent Reverend C Vanal ena ka ishwaini in March ni hi atangani lu chung khan district UPC conference hall nei ani a General Secretary Reverend R Larin sanga chuan he board hi aman pui ani Andro Relangsar Zualte Executive Board Member Satan Reverend C Vanal ena Reverend PC Lalfak Oma Reverend C Larin Tuangale Reverend PC Ngagliana Teruat Anni Thiang Limna Committee Shwai tu Atan Chairman Reverend C Vanal ena Vice Chairman Reverend C Lalshiat Puya Secretary Evangelist Tila Zomsanga Treasurer Unaw Nularam Lomi Silo Bible Woman Teruat Anni District Conference in Hospital din turin malang ni se alauti chu Zirchiang Turin Committee din ani a members atan Reverend C Larin Tuanga Reverend Lalbiak dikachote Evangelist Vilal du Oma Evangelist F Lalmangayele Dr. J.L. Mimoy Teruat anni District Conference in Pentecostal Social Front din ni se alauti chu mala turin convener Reverend PC Lalfak Oma members Reverend K. Lal Chuan Sanga Reverend R. Vanal Engale, Reverend C. Lalshiat Puyate Ruat Anni. Pentecostal Children Department PCD te District Huapa Anin Enkolnatur. District Kaushan Puyatanga Peng ni seti a District Conference in Laurel Zoo. District Atangin Kuminatan, Cheng Sing Sari Sangruk Peng ni se Chati Ani. Many Sompanga Akum ni Pastor Service Tour. Pastor Muan Puya Kolni, Pastor R. Lerem Siamle, Pastor H. Lalom Sanga te chu regularize Anni. Board hian license deal mi pathum le CBC culture mi pali a recommend baka auditors arwat tharbok Aizol East District rawngbawlna chanchin Aizol East District Conference voisom ni parugna zemobok vengpui biak ina March ninga zana tangkhan man mekani a pathiani zana achiakang inkhom puitan zan khan Reverend Rosanga Kolni District Superintendent chuan inkhom kaishwain Reverend V.L. Dikasailo, former General Superintendent Chuan Hlanna Anaya, Reverend R. Laltan Kima Zemabok Bel to Pastor Henetringin Palailom na Thungai Thak Ani. Aizol East District in Kompuya Hian Speaker Big Nailovin, Bishang Shangten Henetringin Tusoingai Thak Ania, Ninga Zan Khan Reverend Lalrema Bethlehem Bel to Pastor Chuan Tutsa Soina Nain, Zirtop Zana Reverend R. Laltan Kima District PYD President, Inrini Zana Reverend Vanel Filaramtiam District Treasurer Chuan Tusoin, Pathiani Chomma Reverend Biak Sang Zola District Secretary Pathiani Chomnua Sagramen rawngbawlna le Thucha Soina Reverend Rosanga Kolni District Superintendent Chuana Neanga Pathiani Zana Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo General Superintendent Henetringin Thucha ngai thak le ani ang Inkhoma piang in mimalba ka Zaipol tin Henetringin fakla ngai thak ni in Pathiani Chomma inkhoma methi sunna Reverend Roming Liana Thingsul Thiabel to Pastor ka Ishwain nei ani ang Kumina hian District PYD chuan achane inkhom pui an nei lo wangin District Kaushan Pui Conference a hian an betela zirtop ni khan zema bok veng pui bek ina rorel na Reverend R. Laltan Kima President Kaishwain an neya zirtop zana District PYD baka subcommittee shangshangten loman sem na hun an mangbok District Sunday School Department po in zirtop ni khan zema bok veng pui Sunday School hola rorel na nei bokin inrini zan hian loman le chormoina semtur an nei ang an sem bok ani District PYD report atanga alandanin tuna hian Aizol East District chunga bia somthuma PYD hi khoza somthum pathuma ading meka PYD member sangsari sompariat omin zugle hmam ngei thar za somsari pariatan oma zugle hmam ngei zongjong hi mi sangni zali somnga pariat anom mekani lekhatara in nei tuak somthum pasari le lekhatar lova in nei tuak somkwa pakwa an oma Dupui pasalawa nga kaushana lut somsari panhi anom lain chuak somthum anom bok PYD rawngbawlna atanga kaushana senglu mi paruk anom bok ani District Sunday School report atanga alandanin tuna hian Sunday School hi khwaza somsari palia din mekni in Sunday School mingjiak zongjong hi singhi sangkha zanga somnga pakhat anom meka Sunday School hall nei thei khwaza somni pakwa anom mekani inrin ni lengin zema bok veng pui biak ina conference rorel nei ani a heta hian biala tang le official atang agenda lut enge mozat an ngei to a rorel zo hian try to thar thlan nei ngal ani bok pathiani zana kaution puin loman semtur an nei ang semna an nei ani don bok ani February ni somni pakwa inrin ni khan darlon bial Sunday School Department boss sain darlon biak ina Sunday School zirtir tu te tan seminar boss sai ani Hehuna hian General Sunday School Director Reverend R. Lighting Puya Resource Person a man ni in zirtir tu te tan poi mole shiat tur shang tengai thlakani a bial chunga tangin Sunday School zirtir tu an kal chale ani Khorulian bial te po in February ni somni pakwa inrin ni vekhan Khorulian biak ina leadership training le account vondanti mangin seminar an boss saya Jommalama leadership training nei ni in bial du pastor mingchung nunga ral tele upa arlal fakama bial secretary ten hena tungin thu soingai thakani a Jommalama account vondan chungchang zir hauna nei le ani a heta hian upa la rin thanga bial treasurer hena tungin account vondan sang ngai thak ani bok mi somnga chuangkal khomin hlok takin hun an mang ani February ni somni pakwa inrin ni khan North Van Lai Phai headquarters biak in sakthar chengnoi somni pakhat chuang senga saktu pathian hena hlanin hon ani biak in hon na hi biak in twala nei masak ni in Reverend Rosang Kolni District Superintendent chuan UPC North East India biak in pakhat ni tura hongin pathian hena hlanna nei ngal ani biak in chunga alomna program han chunjama Pastor H Laropuya North Van Lai Phai bial du pastor chuan in khoma ka shwaya Kaution chanchin toile biak in sakdan report upa sangming thangan hena jengin ngai thak ani LED zai polden pathian fakhla sa in Reverend Rosanga Kolni District Superintendent hena jengin thu cha an ngai tha a tlaya biak in tharlum na roi hlim takin kaution hatten an kil hau ani North Van Lai Phai headquarters kaution hi kumsa khazakwa somnga panga khan din tan ni in an biak in masabar hi sang khazakwa somnga pasari khan hon alawni to a tunami hi apathum na ni in kumsang ni som paruka tanga kha kumsang ni som paruk atang khan an satana adung fit som ruk pathum le awang fit som thum pani aliada sak ani a chengnoi som ni pakhat chuang a saknan hian an sen ba ka natlang tha sangli chuang an seng bok ani biak in tharlom na program hi zir top jana tang khan man tan ni in pathiani zan theng khan an mang chun zoma North Van Lai Phai bial du pastor lo ni to te Reverend C Laldin tuanga Reverend H Vanel Chana Reverend Lianza Maten Thusoina an nei ba ka Reverend Biak Sang Zola District Secretary ten hena tengin thu soi an ngai thachin ani North Van Lai Phai headquarters ko shana tang hiam pastor pahni Reverend R Shang Bonga late le Reverend Biak Sang Zola Aizol East District Secretary ni mek te hi pastor ni in an lo chhuak to a tuna hiam member za chuang zet omin chung ko somni pali anom mek ani February ni somni pakwa inrin ni khan Trump wi ko shana loi una pa vanal shwai de chung kwa chuan pathian hena lom thu soi choi moina nein Kaution ten hlim takin hun an mang Speaker Evangelist Ke Vanel dika an roi ani Ke fang kaushana po unaw pa larin fela ti rawngbawlna kal zela February ni somni pakwa inrin ni khan unaw pa ka pati chung kwa chuan pathian choi moina an neya March ni hi thotan ni khan unaw nu zar zo kimi ti chung kwa chuan choi moina hi nei chunjom vele in kaution ten hlim takin hun an manga February ni thum thole zan khan bel du pastor vilal ni enga chuan mithar panga kaushana sengluna anei bok ani March ni khat pathiani khan zema bok bial airfield kaushana loi turin mithar pani kaushana senglu anni Chimtipui district rawngbawlna chanchin February somni pariata tanga March ni khat chung khan sanga one local sanga biala Chimtipui district LED conference voice somli palina hlotling taka man ani Hekhom puya hian evangelist Robert Bilanun siamati home missionary to speaker atan manni in pathian thu thatak tak ngai thak ani Hekhom pui hilung le district LED shwai tu le member somten an man pui ani February ni somni pakwa in rini chuna rorel in khom nei ani a hehuna hian LED member chatwa nam panta te polin suna hun mantel ani a tlaidar thuma rorel twang taka zo fel ani District LED conference avoi somli palina khom pui palai chin chia thei zat hi mi zali atanga zanga somni in carbor vel ani March ani som pani atanga ni som panga chung hian South Lungpher local South Lungpher biak in a district conference avoi somli palina nei ani dona ni som pali in rinia kaution pui rorel Sunday school rorel na in khom nei ani ang conference thlang tu tur South Lungpher kaution te thei top in anin ba cycle mekani Chimtipui district PYD Nwaya subcommittee education board try to 30 le district PCD try to 31 nili thathum nilai ni khan mo phurna an la thar mo phurna in lan hun man hi tol upa h laldu sanga secretary district PYD chuan akai shwaya Reverend WL Thangshe district superintendent le Reverend Dr. CC Mo district missions director the chuan fuina thu soin luchunga kutnga tongtrai sakna anne subcommittee try to rat tharte district PCD chairman rawngbawltu S Vanal Vena secretary LS Vanal Chuanga treasurer Unaunu C Mingchul Lavi kumpon chairman rawngbawltu LS Lalmingwana secretary C Lalchan Hima treasurer rawngbawltu Jonalarin Tuanga Sihatla local Pentecostal men department the chuan march nithum tholeni khan avoi khatna atan PMD day an mang hehuni kaution member zongjong ten omni khamin hun an manga tlailama roikil hauni in zanlama hun hi man chunjom le ani North Mizoram district rawngbawlna chanchin district right to the program district superintendent Reverend Tuanga chuan march niriat pathiani manghian district missions khompui voisom thumpakwana in field tharatana apwan tumpang lui khwa chu missions field tharatan honna anayang district secretary Reverend Siarpuya chuan march niriat pathiani hian abial enkol durtlanga inkhomin chonhua durtlang north kaushana baptist rawngbawlna anenga durtlang north a hian chonhun hi thuthlung rawngbawlna hunatan amang don ani district treasurer Reverend Kela du sanga chuan karthar chauhian general missions field conference mangin general field lama achua kang district missions director Reverend Silal Thantuang apo in district missions conference voisom thumpakwana in home missions field thar atana apwan south chimluang khwa chu field thar atana hongdona hemi rolhan kolasi venglai bel to pastor Reverend B Banalwatan missionary quarters sakthar hongbokang district missions treasurer evangelist MS Zonglian chuan tlangsang bel chunga Zomwan tlang missionary quarters sakthar chu hongin rawngbawlna aneyang North Mizoram district conference voisom sari na conference platinum nithum le zanli chung o pathian tharau shak thina hnoya alimtaka manchu karkalta march nikhat pathiani zan khan achiak conference February somni pasari ningani zan khan tan ani a conference culture center bongkon sauta nei ani conference chungzong hian Reverend Tuanga district superintendent Reverend Siarpuya district secretary le Reverend Kelal du sanga district treasurer ten khompui hinung takin an kai shwai chin ani conference platinum ma hian thupui pathian thu hi anungani hebrai bungli changsom pani thu manni in he thupui manghian heng thushil tu de hian pathian thu cha an soi February ni somni pasari ni ngani jana thu soi tu Reverend RC Puya thupui thianglimna kongamin shwai tu February ni somni pariat zirtom ni jana thu soi tu Reverend Silaram Mwana thupui chandamna ani February ni somni pakwa iduni jana thu soi tu Reverend Silian Chama thupui nun kong shwai tu atan March nikhat pathiani jing thu soi tu Reverend Lanal Somasailo thupui alokal le na min chiat tir tu ani pathiani chhun thu soi tu Reverend Kelal du sanga thupui chakna le thil ti theina ani pathiani jan thu soi tu Reverend Lal Tuanga thupui pathian thu hi anungani thushil tu te pathianin amanga kaushan hauten an hlokpui hle ani platinum conference ani angin conference chung hian North Mizoram district din ani tiratanga ronglo bol to tu pastor zongjong tele Pentecostal Herald editor lawni to te choimoina thilpeklan ani baka Sunday school department atanga choimoina thilpek Sunday school kumsom chung kai kimte Sunday school shwai tu hlun le zirtir tu choimoina certificate te sem ani baka LED ten bufai cham thaloman an sembok February ni somni pariat zirtom ni chumadar somatanga dar somani khan conference report changchang kaushan pui missions Sunday school LED le PYD baka Pentecostal Gateway Higher Secondary School achangte in ngai thak ni in report atangin masona tamtak mu ani conference report in Tarlan dani North Mizoram district din huntlang pui hetiang hi ani North Mizoram district kaushan pui hnoya committee peng pakwa heng PG managing board motor board pennet building resolution thianghlimna literature legal board PSM committee te omin heng committee pen sang he thokal tlang hian masona tamtak mu ani ramlak bai pui thak turin district tirchwa rongbol tu mi somthum omin heng mi te hian south chimluang thinglian kanan thar sailam bungthuam kortha darlung bukwan ne thinglun Phuldung Sei, Luang Pol, Toilung, Si Thiang, Kanan, Phai Zau, Lui Moi, Dampatlang Nuam, South Simluang, New Eden, Zolpui, Chuvel, Nisapui, Phunchong, Wangmun, Dap Chua, Neilo, Sidon, Tuipui Bari, Tuirumle, Lungthira Te, Rawngbawlna Na an thok mekani. Conference report in the Tarlan Dan in North Mizoram District Statistic din hun tlang pui hetiang hi ani. Kohhran din na zat zasum sari paruk, Kohhran inom zat sangruk zasum hi pali, biak inding zat zasum sari pakhat, member zongjong zat singhi sangruk zasari somruk pakhat, mithar laglu zat sangkhat za pakhat. Report hun chunga member thi zat zasumruk pariat, tharau thiang hlimdong thar zat zali somsari pakhat, tharau dong to zongjong zat singkhat zakwa somhi pakwa. Kohhran ding thar zat pariat, preaching point nei thar zat pathum, preaching point nei zongjong zat somhi pasari, ordination license nei zat somli pariat, general license nei zat za, local license nei zat somnga pali, Bible woman somni pali, diakon upa zongjong zat zanga somruk pakhat, tual upa zongjong zat zali pahni, kumsang ni sompok chunga zugle mwam he zat zanga somkwa pathum. Conference report pek ni February ni somni pariat chonhua District Sunday School Conference rorel nei ngal ani a. Director Reverend Kemal Somtuangan Kashwain an rorel tampuite. No pongpol le khabu thalidana quarterly a chwachin ni se. Sunday School zirlai bute le the reng turin General Sunday School hian chuttam deu ni se. Thuin changbua Doctrinal Department Paul telve ni se. Home Missions filter brute mantur Sunday School zirlai bu siam ve ni se. District Sunday School Conference rorel ashanga nei to ni se. District Huapin Doctrinal Department meet aizo khuchung le District Khopui shanga nei ni se ti tep an pass ani. February ni somni pakwa inrin ni khan District Kohhran pui rorel nei ngalin Reverend Laltuanga District Superintendent in meeting akashwaya rorel poimo zwalte. Kumsang ni somni pakhala District Conference Headquarters biala ngatin kumsang ni somni pahnia Tenzol biala conference nga ani. Kumsang ni somni churam lakbai pui tha kumatan puan ani. North Mizoram District revival athenzel theinan tongtai run pui nei ni se. North Mizoram District chunga Kohhran te zinga ziakle tonga Mizo tong warzo kangman ni se. District Board membera upa beltin IO upa diakon membera dave ni se. General Local Bible Women 10 unlicensed and renew donin renewal form hangin anloina local le bial kaltengin renew ni to se. Kohhran Manual Article som pasari na section za a bial resolution committee thune ina zialan lo hi zialan ni se ennona siam thatni ro se. Siadni thatni serle sangkai shwaina Buthar district in siam ni se. District in Enkolnadan section som pakhat number e le section parukna number e te hi ennona bial le twalchung in dailona chuan man kher ngai lo turin siam rem ni ro se. District shwai tu te hi post ngaya tam khat kum hi chau om to se. UPC Northeast India Nwaya Zirna School Kanneya uniform in ang tlangvek nei tura malang ni se. Kohhran ni poimo Missionary Day, Disabled Sunday, Orphanage Sunday ya te hetiang lam hoi sermon kai shwaina le Bible chang te da siam ni se. Iswang minga nupui pasalo in nei to intrin le te hi an kopuiten Kohhran phalna ang thapa nupui pasal an lo nei to chuan District Board a dil kher ngai lo hian Local Church Board ten phalna pethei se ti te past ani. District Board nei ani UPC Northeast India North Mizoram District Kumtir Board to March ni hi thotan ni atangkan headquarters Kohhran biak intui khwatlanga nei ani. District Board hi Reverend Laltuanga District Superintendent in Kashwain, General Latungin Northeast India UPC Superintendent Reverend Lalma Somasailawin ahobok. District Board hi ani thum chung o in board ni khatni March ni hi Pentecostal School of Ministry PSM Culture te local license le general license deal te interview nei fel ani a license deal te din hun hetiang hi ani. Local license deal mi som pani omin general license deal mi pathuman oma PSM deal mi som ni pani anom bok ani. North Mizoram District Kumtir Board a hian official agenda pakwa omin district khompui voisom sari na rorel to bozuina baka bial agenda somthu pangale private agenda pakhat anwel bok. Rorel poimo zinga kumin sangni somni hi department try to tharwat kum ani angin heng anwai mi thi kum sang he somni atanga sang he somni pakhat district department try to tharatan and wat Kohhran pui try to superintendent Reverend Laltuanga secretary Reverend Siarpuya treasurer Reverend Kelal Du Sanga missions department director Reverend Sil Thantuanga secretary evangelist RK Banal Ngaya treasurer evangelist MS Dongliana Sunday school department director Reverend Kemal Somtuanga secretary and treasurer evangelist H Ladin Ngeta ladies auxiliary department president Unaunu Kelan Machwani Bible woman secretary Unaunu Lal Dongliani treasurer Unaunu Chwankungi Bible woman Pentecostal youth department president evangelist J Vanal Ruata secretary evangelist Kero Tuanga treasurer evangelist Sila Ruatsanga district board hiam pastor thar pakhat la in evangelist PC la roki maram hun sa dupin chu lak ani a ani hian aibok abialanga aibok bel the pastor ni mek reverend PC la fela chu dur tlang bel turin post ani bok ani February ni som nepali thorchan zan khan tlang sang bel khaltang khwa a rongbol tu unaunu jelan mon kimile achhiante rongbol na atangin mithar chung kopali anvain member som ni pangate chu Pentecostal channeloi turin senglu anni mithar te hibel to pastor ke ainonan kaushana senglut hunthar bel missions department malang na in dampareng pui bel tuipui bari center a biak insa in work camp anne work camp hibel director upasi vanal siaman havin member som pakobor an thokchwaka February ni som nepali khan aizol an chwa san ani UPC Northeast India Unit North Mizoram District te chuan PYD Dini Rising Day March Nili Khan North Mizoram District Khwam chunga Bial som thumten an mang North Mizoram District PYD Rising Day headquarters Bial PYD te chuan an Rahman angin headquarters biak ina Bial chunga local panga headquarters Mission Veng Thang Nursery Tuikwal South Lake Hadla South 10 in Khom Ho na nein District PYD President Evangelist F Langai Omale General Sunday School Secretary Reverend R Vanal Oeten Hein Khom Hi Hovin Pathian Thucha headquarters Bel to Pastor Reverend Cilian Chaman Hen Twing ngai thak ni in District PYD President le General Sunday School Secretary Hen Tang te in Rising Day Thucha ngai thak ani bok Bilko clear Bel PYD te chuan District PYD Rising Day March nili chu Home Missions Field North Thingland te quarters saknatur amun lain PYD Rising Day an manga quarters sakthei mai turin amun hi an zau ani quarters mun lai hian PYD member somruk pasari zet an thokchwaka lim takin hun an mang ani North Thingland te quarters hi bilkhathir bial malang nein Assam type saktura ro man ni in kumin thal chunga lo man tura sak an tumbok aibok bel PYD te chuan District PYD Rising Day March nili lom na pol hian blood donation camp le social media ti thupuyam hangin awareness program an bot sai March nili chun lama kham blood donation camp bot sain State Referral Hospital Falcon Tantisen unit som Nepali an PA zanlama social media ti thupuyam hangin Falcon Kohhran back in a awareness program an bot sai thung awareness program hi Bial President Twal Upalaram nga kana kaishwaya Bial Secretary Unaunu Ben Laram dikin day thucha chiar chwakin Unaunu lel enkolile Bial PYD Zai Polden Zai Rawngbawlna an nei bok he program a hiam Pentecostal Network Pennet coordinator Una pa R lalbiak fila resource person atanan mga PowerPoint presentation mga zirtir na pe in social media mandan ko nga mason na turle manswal lo om the zate baka akai noi thil dang poimo tak tak ngai thak ani a soi ho na hun lok thak tak manzui ani bok inkhom bana thingpui roi lim taka kil ho ani ole khati zong khatun tumata na UPC Northeast India Kohhran Rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak ho le theite ni e